Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both ends ready. Power on the My TV and your phone or Windows PC, and make sure the TV's wireless display feature is enabled. Once done, confirm both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This allows discovery and a stable stream. Make sure firmware and OS updates installed. Older builds can block casting. Now open the casting option on your source device so it can search for the My TV. You're ready for pairing. Which is the next step? You will now initiate the connection. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast. On Windows, use Action Center, right arrow project, right arrow connect to a wireless display. Once your My TV appears, select it and watch the TV for an authorization prompt. Enter the PIN or accept the connection to prevent unwanted access. After pairing, choose whether to mirror the phone screen or extend display from PC, and tweak resolution or scale settings to keep text legible. This reduces lag and ensures correct. You finish by confirming audio/video sync and testing a short video or presentation. Adjust volume and screen orientation on the source device. If playback stutters, stop and start casting, then reboot the TV or phone. Simple resets often fix handshake errors. Make sure your signal is strong. If Wi-Fi is weak, switch bands or move closer to the router. And if nothing works, update firmware and drivers. For urgent needs, use an HDMI cable as a reliable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.